Hi guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a haul video, and I went to Ulta and I went and got some shoes. So I'm going to haul all of it for you and let you see what I got. And then also I want to know what you guys think of everything I got. Do you think I should have grabbed something else? Is there anything you guys want me to pick up and review for you? Just leave it down below. That way I know what you guys are wanting to see. If there's any certain products that you're wanting me to review. Pretty much everything I got was like older products. One product I haven't really seen before, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the haul now. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's get into the haul. First thing is I went to Ulta and I picked up 5 items. My total was $50, and that's a little much. A little much. But I didn't actually need any of what I got except for one thing, and that's going to be the first item that I show you, which is the Eco Tools sponge. Now you guys are looking at this, not unless you've already seen it, which I was like totally shocked. I was like, where's the other sponge? It's so much cheaper. So for like the 2 sponges it was $9.99, and for the one by itself it was $4.99, which is actually cheaper than the Real Technique sponge, which is a like holy grail for me. I love that sponge, but I know a lot of people love this sponge too, especially when it first came out. So if you guys want to see a review on this sponge versus the Real Techniques or the Beauty Blender, because I have both, let me know down below and I'll totally do that for you. But I was excited because I haven't tried this sponge. I have no opinions upon it, so it will totally be like a first impressions, whether it works or whether it's just total crap and I wasted like $5. So we will see. And please let me know if you love this sponge too down below, because I would really like to know how many people actually like this sponge. But I think it was a great deal. I mean, it was $1 cheaper than the Real Techniques one. So enough babbling about a sponge. So the next item I got was the Morphe 530, and mine is not actually like open, so I'm having to cut it open. And this is supposed to be a contouring brush. I don't actually have any brushes that are this shape for contouring, and I wanted to try it out. So this is what it looks like. Then it says Morphe, and then it says M530. Feels very, very soft. And it has like a, I don't know, like a plasticky smell to it. I guess just where it was in the plastic wrapper, but it still feels very soft. I wanted to try this brush out. Every time I went to Ulta, they've like pretty much been sold out of like every single brush except for brushes I basically already have. And this shape of brush I don't really have, so I only bought one of these. And then the next item I bought 2 of, and these are the Morphe M510s, and one of these, it's this one. One of these was already opened and it doesn't have like the little safety seal on it, but I got 2 of them. This one is completely packaged and it actually doesn't have a little holder over it, so this feels pretty soft as well. And I wanted this for highlighting because I've seen a lot of people use these, and I don't have any brushes that are this like thin and tapered. A lot of my highlighting brushes are a lot bigger, so I wanted to try this one out and I'm just excited about it. And I actually think I could probably use this as a crease brush too, just to like splash like a big thing of color, which is probably crazy sounding, but I think it would be good for that, like putting something in the crease or all over the eye. I just can find multiple uses, and this is small enough you could probably contour down your nose. It's pretty tapered and it's pretty soft, so I'm excited about this brush. I've wanted it for a long time, and like I said, every time I go, their brushes are always like completely sold out except for like the basic brushes, which I don't need because I have a ton of those. But brushes like this, I can never get enough, and especially this size. I love brushes like this. So the next item I got is a little strange, but I've seen a lot of people with those eyeshadow shields that you peel off that are just like ones you throw away, and I figured when I saw this, why not try it? It's reusable eyeshadow shields. And this look that I created today, I had eyeshadow everywhere, and I was like, I'm just gonna give this a try. Since it's reusable, it comes in a case, So this is what the inside right here looks like. So it shows you how to apply, gives you instructions and everything on how to use it. And then this is what they look like. So you just peel them off and use them. So I was kind of intrigued. The only thing I can say is they look like they're raised up. I don't know if you can really tell, but they're kind of like raised up. And I really tried to find a pair that was completely stuck down in the package, but none of them were. Like every single pair were like this, where they were kind of raised up. So I don't really know if that has an effect on them or not. They all looked like this, but I was excited. This was $16. I think if they're actually going to work, then it's definitely a good investment, instead of having to buy like the eyeshadow shields that you just throw away all the time, because that can get a little pricey buying them over and over and over. And for ones that you can use over and over that are reusable, that all you have to do is wash and clean, I thought that was a good deal. So I'm definitely going to be doing a video on these. We'll see how well they work. So the next items I got were shoes. Now I am so odd when it comes to shoes, and I have a million pairs of shoes, but I feel like I look odd in tennis shoes with shorts. And I don't know if anybody else feels that way, but I don't know. It's just like the way my legs look and the way my tennis shoes look. They just look odd. And I always end up wearing a pair of flip-flops or a pair of nice sandals or something like that with, you know, shorts or capris, because I don't know, I just feel like my tennis shoes look odd. And I have those no-show socks where they don't show, but I feel like even with that, it's just the tennis shoe itself. It just looks odd. So I wanted to get some that were gonna look good and I was gonna feel comfortable and look good in during the summer when I wore shorts, or even if I wanted to wear a little dress or something, I could wear a pair of tennis shoes with them and it will look okay. So I got these Converse right here, and these are the Shoreline Converse where they have like the stretchy backs. And I wanted these as soon as I had seen them when they came out with them, like last year or the year before last. I can't really remember when they came out with them, but ever since I knew that they came out with these, I wanted to get a pair, and I haven't bought shoes for myself really in so long. And I have a ton of shoes, and I take really good care of my shoes, which is why I have a ton of shoes. But shoes like these that I can slip on, I kind of go through them a little more because it can be like 5 below out and I'll be wearing a pair of like slip-on shoes, so I don't have to wear socks. I hate socks. Like if I can get away with not wearing socks, I'm going to. And with these, I'm not gonna have to wear socks, or if I, you know, put those no-show socks on, I'm not really gonna have to worry about, you know, having to worry about wearing them or not wear them. I don't really mind them that much, but I think these are still gonna look good with my shorts, and I'm not gonna feel insecure or anything like that. I am excited to try these, and this is in the shade Cloud Gray. I was gonna get a white pair, and I think eventually I will, but the white pair had like a red and black like line on it, and I didn't really like that. Like if it was just like 2 solid black lines, I probably would have got the white ones, but I just decided to get these instead. The next pair of shoes I got were from Roxy. I've actually never heard of this brand. My sister said that she had heard of it, and I was like, never heard of it. I just saw it online and was like, hey, I want to check out those shoes. And these were actually clearanced for like 30 some dollars, but I got them for 17, which was awesome. But they look like this. They look a lot, I think, like the Sperry shoes in a way, but I don't know, I really liked these, and I liked the way they looked, and I thought they would look really cute with some, you know, dresses or even with shorts. And I could definitely wear these with no socks and not have to worry about it, or those one socks that are made really funny where they like barely are socks at all. I could wear these if I wanted to with them or without them. They have like a squishy type inside, so it's gonna be a little more comfortable on your foot. And then this part right here is the heel. They're solid white, but I liked they had this little curve right here, so to like help with your arch of your foot. And I just found these to be adorable. Like these just screamed my name. They had another pair that were like regular price, but I honestly didn't like those as much as I liked these. These just, I don't know, they're just so cute, and I think they're going to be great to wear with dresses and shorts. And that is the end of my haul, and I'm waving my shoe around just like I don't care. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share on your social medias, and until next time, bye guys.